Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show how to add a video on Google Sites. It is a very easy and simple process, and it works in your laptop, in your PC, and as well as in your Android. On iPhone I don't know if it works or not, but in these three it works properly fine. So let's begin. Just open your Chrome and just type Google Sites, and when you type Google Sites this page will pop up that your page title. So if you are using Google Sites on your Android, make sure that you just press on three dots on the upper right and scroll down and just take on desktop side. Just press on desktop side and your Google site will be opened. Let me go just back. When you press on desktop side this page will pop up, and then just press on blank. And okay, so once you press on blank this page will pop up. Now I will show you how to add a video. Just press whatever you want. If you want to add from your docs or from your drive or whatever, I will just show you an example. Let me just press on YouTube, and once I press, let me just type FIFA Qatar. Okay, so just then tap in go, and then just let me just zoom out. Okay, so now you can see properly. So then just type the video and then type on select. So as you can see the video has been edited. Now it's up to you if you want to drag it or you want to minimize it, but this is the process how to add a video on Google Sites.